Welcome to your Health Facts. Today we're going to be diving into a pretty surprising connection, actually, between iron aging and your overall health. You might be surprised to learn that iron, a mineral we often link with vitality, could actually contribute to faster aging if it's not properly managed.
Yeah, that's right. While we often focus on iron deficiency, the often overlooked issue of iron overload can really significantly impact the aging process. Research actually indicates a considerable difference in iron levels between younger and older tissues, suggesting that this excess iron accumulation could accelerate aging.
This might seem counterintuitive considering iron's crucial role in our bodies, right? But the problem really lies in iron's inherent reactivity. Imagine like hydrogen peroxide reacting with iron creates a very vigorous oxidizing reaction.
Yeah.
And similarly, excess iron within our bodies can actually trigger this damaging oxidation affecting our DNA cell membranes, even the mitochondria that power our cells.
And this brings us to a fascinating paradox. Individuals can actually experience anemia while simultaneously harboring excess iron stored in their tissues. This stored iron unfortunately remains unavailable for red blood cell production, leading to a condition we call dysfunctional iron. And in these cases, simply increasing iron intake can actually exacerbate the problem.
Yeah, and the detrimental effects of excess iron really stem largely from what we call oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is really a key driver of aging and various diseases. Think of it as a rusting process within our bodies. Excess iron fuels this rusting, potentially contributing to conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, cancer, and heart disease.
That's an important point. Our bodies, however, are not defenseless against this kind of oxidative onslaught. We possess a natural antioxidant system that combats oxidative stress. However, certain lifestyle factors like exercise, alcohol consumption, smoking, exposure to pollution, and a diet high in processed foods can increase our need for antioxidants beyond our body's natural production capacity.
Interesting. So it sounds like our lifestyle choices can really impact our body's ability to handle this excess iron. And, copper, a mineral we don't often talk about as much compared to iron, plays a crucial role in maintaining this healthy balance, right?
Absolutely. Insufficient copper can actually worsen the problems associated with excess iron, so it highlights the importance of a balanced dietary intake. Luckily, incorporating copper-rich foods into our diet is relatively simple. Shellfish organ meats like beef liver, sunflower seeds, and even dark chocolate offer readily available sources of this essential mineral.
Okay, so we can definitely find ways to get enough copper through our diet. Now let's shift our focus to strengthening our internal defenses against this oxidative stress. Protein, especially as we age, is crucial for building and maintaining our body's natural antioxidant network, right?
Exactly. Within this network, the amino acid glutamine plays a particularly vital role, and red meat stands out as a rich source of this crucial component. This actually presents a potential challenge for individuals following a vegan diet, as obtaining sufficient high-quality protein can be more difficult. And relying on iron supplements in such cases could inadvertently exacerbate iron overload issues.
And beyond protein, what other things help with our antioxidant defenses?
Well, there are other trace minerals that contribute significantly to our antioxidant defenses. Things like zinc, manganese, magnesium, and selenium all play essential roles. And actually, seafood and shellfish are excellent sources of these nutrients.
Gotcha. So there are a lot of different things that can help us manage these iron levels. But are there any other natural strategies that people can use?
Yeah, definitely. In addition to dietary modifications, there are several natural strategies that can help manage iron levels. Quercetin, for example, found abundantly in onions and curcumin, which is derived from turmeric, offer significant benefits in this regard. Melatonin, a hormone known for regulating our sleep cycles, it also plays a crucial role in iron regulation. And we can naturally boost its production through exposure to infrared light, particularly from sunlight.
Well, that's interesting. So getting enough sunlight can actually help regulate our iron levels. Are there any other natural helpers we should know about?
Absolutely. Another potent ally in managing iron levels is lactoferrin. It's a naturally occurring protein found in raw milk and dairy products. Lactoferrin acts as an iron chelator, which essentially means it binds to iron and helps remove it from the body. And lactoferrin is also available as a supplement for those looking for a more concentrated source.
So it sounds like we have a few options when it comes to managing our iron naturally. But how do we even know if our iron levels are too high in the first place?
Well, when it comes to assessing our iron status, the ferritin test provides valuable insights. Ferritin is a protein that stores iron, and measuring its levels in our blood can indicate whether we have too much or too little iron.
So what should we be aiming for when it comes to our ferritin levels?
Conventionally, a certain range of ferritin levels is considered normal, but in the context of what we've discussed about iron overload and its potential contribution to aging, aiming for a low ferritin reading might be a more prudent approach.
So it's really about finding that balance when it comes to iron.
Exactly. Understanding the nuances of iron's role in our bodies empowers us to make informed decisions about our health. While iron is undeniably essential, maintaining a healthy balance is key. By adopting a holistic approach that includes dietary adjustments, incorporating natural iron chelators, and prioritizing antioxidant-rich foods, we can take proactive steps towards mitigating the potential negative effects of iron overload.
That's a great point. It's all about taking a proactive approach to our health. This deep dive has really shed light on the often overlooked connection between iron aging and overall health. And for those of you interested in exploring more insights on optimizing your well-being, you can subscribe to yourhealthfacts.com.
So yeah, just remember that maintaining a healthy balance is really crucial when it comes to iron and its impact on our health. By being mindful of our iron intake and, implementing these natural strategies, we can potentially slow down that aging process and reduce the risk of various diseases.
Right, it's all about being proactive and taking control of our health. Well, this has been a fascinating deep dive. I think we've all learned a lot about the complex relationship between iron and aging. If you found this information valuable and want to delve deeper into optimizing your well-being, be sure to subscribe to yourhealthfacts.com. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in our next deep dive.